A skill is a specific practical ability that a student can use in many different situations. The ability to read on grade level, for example, is a skill. A strength, on the other hand, is a more of an attribute like a positive personality trait that is linked to success, such as being resilient or flexible. Just as a student can learn to throw a basketball, students can learn to become more creative or more resilient. If you want your student to value curiosity, the first step is to show that you yourself are curious. Two of the most common questions he or she will face in a job interview are, what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? The 5 key strengths we have discussed are creativity, curiosity, resilience, resourcefulness, and self-awareness. Remember, a strength is a positive personality trait that is linked to success. Strengths, just like skills, can be developed through practice.